Okay, artists, today we are going to do a rainbow beehive. Now the first thing I want to do, across the top of my page, I'm going to make a line for a branch. It goes all the way out and stops. I'm going to come down, make another line across, goes all the way out but stops. Now I'm going to make a diagonal line up and another diagonal line down. And I'm going to put a V, sideways V on the side. I'm going to put two big leaves, make a curve out, and another curve out, put a straight line in the middle, and diagonal lines going down either side. Now another way you can make a leaf is just to make a straight line up and put a curve on one side and put a curve on another, making diagonal lines on each side. Now I want to make a little branch coming down. That's where the beehive is going to be hanging from. And I'm going to make the small line. I'm going to start my beehive. So I make two curves, and then I'm going to attach it. Now my next curves are going to go out a little farther. Make two more curves and attach it. Now make this wider. Two more curves. Attach it. Make the next one wider. Go out a little farther for the next one. Almost there. And the last one, wider. One, two, three, four, five, six will be fine. Now I want to make my bees, and to make a bee, I'm going to make an oval, two eyes and a smile, some stripes, wings, and a little stinger. So let's show that again. Oval, two eyes, smile, my bee stripes, wings, and my stinger. Put some over here too, going the other way. Oval, my eyes and smile, my stripes, my stinger. I can turn the oval so my bee can go all different ways. This bee is going up. Now what I want to do is, when I'm done, I could add a couple bees down here if I wanted. Now when I'm done, I'm going to color it in order of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. When I color it in, I make sure that I'm really making it neat. I'm going to outline. Now this is going to be a marker drawing. If you don't have markers, you could use crayons. And I like mine going in the same direction. Don't forget to really get your cap on your marker when you're done, so it's nice and neat. What I do usually is I outline where I'm going to color in. And neatly do it. Now when I get it colored in all the way, I'm going to have my rainbow stripes, do my bees. I did my tree branch. And then after that, I outlined everything and I made strokes of blue throughout for the sky. So have fun coloring your drawing.